Got it. Got it. Get out. Get out. Have fun. Have fun. I forgot. I forgot. I will pay. I will pay. I am full. I am full. Let's go. Let's go. Answer me. Answer me. I am bored. I am bored. I am tired. I am tired. Who knows? Who knows? Come on in. Come on in. Don't move. Don't move. Fire burns. Fire burns. Follow him. Follow him. I can sing. I can sing. I will try. I will try. Can I try it once? Can I try it once? I am coming. I am coming. I am hungry. I am hungry. Let him in. Let him in. Let me out. What's new? What's new? Who's that? Who's that? Don't shout. Don't shout. I stood up. I stood up. I will attend. I will attend. Was I wrong? Was I wrong? Nobody came. Nobody came. Has he left? Has he left? I am at office. I am at office. I am starving. I am starving. What is this? What is this? Don't get fat. Don't get fat. Let me try it. Let me try it. Make it quick. Make it quick. Read it aloud. Read it aloud. I am an atheist. I am an atheist. Someone who does not believe in any god or gods. Winter is over. Winter is over. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again with new topic. Please subscribe to our channel to learn English easily, because regularly we come with new learning videos. If you can share the video with your friends, and of course comment on how do you like our videos, or you can let us know by commenting if you need anything help. Stay well and stay with us to learn English.